Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Habanyo ya kani ka jingkeno ka bathamula u Conrad ulaong baya kini ki dor lawa da baro kinong yalam habapli kinu ki project kamdei satya ka bathamai. Bar ngamtip nang nu ka jingkali banga khuslai kami tang namar ka jingwa dur. U Conrad K Sangma President kaseng NPP habapen sngow ha ka jingpin na kertong ban yakhun election Arhajar arpulai men ka khat artrik ukalaling kot uyathu ka NPP kan sasar hi ban sinshar marwe. Lada phipet ha kinu ki sarkar lani kinu ki program jong ka sarkar jalane sarkar pedeng bakum kine ka judan bet ka jingwa adur namar kata ngam yo I bakandon jingye dei bat ngam don I eiru ban kentho ya ki jingkran bathamula kum kine ula benram. Halor ka jingkam unong yalam ka BJP Bernard N. Marak ba uladon bentalang ha ka jingjob jang-u ha ka bai election arhajar khatpra hasaw dura. U Conrad ulaong POE khatlai hajar ngut kibriu kila vote yanga bad ha u ban ong ba ula penyo lut ya baro khatlai hajar vote kalong kabam dei satya. Kum ubriu shimet hi hoot kilayaram baro kilayaram hendrai ban kam badei namar jang-u banga job kalong kabam yaham. Ngam kentat ba ulat rei shishana ka benta jonga ha ketika por bat ulayarap bat kershan kum uriu shimen shimla dan satya bat kanu ka parti henry ban kampat bangila job namar jong u ngasngau ba kadai ka bla shupin ksan jubor ula benram. Haba kali ya ka NPP kan jied yu kertong CM kat kum ka jingjob jong ki MLA na rilum khasi jantia bat garu. U Conrad ulaong kane kadai haktu kapor jong ka election baladem na marngi layawan lang hakum katay ka khem. Ha katay kapor. Ka ay kabadya balong hadin habut kan shong haki MLA ki ban jied yu unong yalam bat namar kata ka shong haki MLA bat ngamdon AA ban ong ya kata. Halor ka jingkeno jong ki parlok bayatray lang bat ka MDA persya ya ka NPP umentri rangba ula penpau ba ulong ubakloy ban pidyang ya baro ki jingkeno kum unong yalam. Hakapor banga shimti ya baro ki jingba kli kum umentri rangba ha usnem arhajar khatpra nga ha banlong ubala penkre ya baro kini ki jingtenju bat nga shim ya ka jingkit kli ya baro bat nga laju ongru ba habami kanu ka jingjang nga jumi syakman bat ju ong banga hab ban shim ya ka jingkit kli bat ngam sngo I lada kalyang persya ne ki parlong bayat reilang ha ka sarkar ki ong ya kata ula ong. Habayadei baka jingkeno jong kalyang persya baka sarkar kalapli ki project ki bampat pendep satya kenthop ya ka canal hydro power project umentri rangba ula ong ba ula de penna da ka basyai habapli ya ka ni ka project baka dei tang jong ka we ka unit kat ba artli ki we pat ki unit on supply pat ba no hapdeng ka khatsan lane life host ngi AA.
Many things have happened and many things have changed. Today I take this opportunity to really, truly, and with great honor, welcome all the leaders who have joined us in these last 5 years. So many new faces we can see. Khubor Antor is here, but Jason is here, but Hamlet, but Samlin, so many of our leaders like Mr. A.T. Mandal, like Mr. And so many of them are there, I cannot even take all the names that are there. But if I keep going on, it will be a very, very long list. But truly, a sign that shows that the National People's Party today is growing. And let me tell you, all the individuals here with us today are not here just for the National People's Party, are not just here for their own personal benefit. They are not just here for politics, but they are here for a purpose. A purpose that is much, much more than their personal goals. They are here to serve you. They are here to serve the people of the state. And today, all the leaders who are present out here have seen, have achieve their goals and objectives of taking the state forward and serving the people who they represent. Friends, my late father used to always tell us, the question is, where do we go from now? How do we move forward? And where do we take our state? And this election of 2023, which is happening right at the 51st year of our statehood, will lay the foundation stones for the next 50 years of our state. And hence, we all have to ask ourselves the question, what is it that we will decide? It was 50 years back that Meghalaya had a full majority government. History will repeat itself. After 50 years, the question each one has to ask, that will we once again get a full majority government? Will we once again repose our faith in the leaders? Will we once again give our vote to a political party which has proved itself in the last 5 years, so that we are able to lay the foundation stones, so that in the next 50 years, and as you all have always prayed, that this government has taken, that government has had the courage, we've had the wisdom because of your prayers, to be able to move forward and take the border issue to its logical conclusion. And I can assure you that if there is any political party that will be ever able to find a solution to the border issue, it is the National People's Party. And I assure you that given the opportunity in 2023 in this general election, we will find a solution and we will resolve the border issue, so that people in the state, especially the border areas, can live in peace